Hello, I'm in a 2014 Honda Civic, and so I'm going to show you to fold down these rear seats. So there's like a hinge, they should just fold right like this, but they've got a safety latch that's keeping them locked in place. So we'll go from the trunk, double check both corners, but this one's got a safety release right here. So while this is pulled, it releases that safety, but if you're not pulling it, it stays locked. So while this is pulled, you'll be able to either push from the inside here or pull from inside the car, like so. No, little tricky to do with solo because you have to simultaneously keep this pulled. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day. Yep, and then I'll show you too once it's back. It's still locked in place. Tight and secure. All right, have a great one.